4. A toy company is packaging its toys to be shipped. Each toy is placed inside a cube-shaped box with side lengths of 3.5 inches. These smaller boxes are then packed into a larger box with dimensions of 14 by 7 by 3.5. A says, what is the largest or the greatest number of toy boxes that can be packed into the larger box for shipping? Well, we know that it's 14 by 7 by 3.5. And our job is to figure out how many boxes that are 3.5 by 3.5 by 3.5 can fit into the dimensions in the top row. So how many sets of 3.5 can fit into 14? So if we count by 3.5, 3.5, 7, 10.5, 14. That is 4 sets of 3.5 that fit into 14. 3.5 plus 3.5 makes 7. So 2 sets of 3.5 fit into 7. And 1 set of 3.5 fits in to 3.5. So we can fit 4 boxes wide, 2 boxes long, and 1 box tall, essentially. So this comes out to 4 times 2 times 1 is 8. So they can fit 8 boxes into the package. B. B says, use the number of toy boxes that can be shipped in the large box to determine the volume of the shipping box. Well, we know 8 boxes work, and we need to multiply that by 3.5, not 3 1/3, 3.5, 3 separate times. Remember, 1 is for each of those dimensions, the length, the width, and the height. Another way to write 3.5 is 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 more makes 7. So we can also write that as 7 over 2. Okay. In this step, we can cross out some pieces by dividing out those chunks. How many 2's fit into 8? 4 sets of 2 fit into 8. How many sets of 2 fit into 4? Well, 2 sets of 2 fit into 4. How many sets of 2 fit into 2? 1 set of 2 fits into 2. So now all I have left is 1 times 7 times 7 times 7 for the numerator, and 1 times 1 times 1 for the denominator. 7 times 7 is 49. And 49 times 7, well, 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 6 more, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So our numerator is 343, and our denominator is 1. Remember, any whole number divided by 1, or any number divided by 1 is a whole number. So this is 343 inches cubed.